Now the white Audi is start now to going on the destination to racing the car. Near the red car is blinking their lights and going on the destination. The beautiful stance here on the ways to the beautiful bridge here to coming to near the driver is now controlling the car but going on the destination in full highly qualified driving skills and going to the highly bridging start here now to going on the destinations and the beautiful stunts here. Oh, nicely beautiful car is going on the destination. The fully furnished car is going near the airport where the airplane here is going on the destination, so nicely going to the turning on the point and where the security is so alert in the high class building is now seeing here and the Audi is white Audi is going on the destination. Beautiful stunts here going on the different ways to see the different stunts here are in auto unions and NSC brand effectively did it and company of the Audi is so definitely is improving the car's quality and the going on the destination and different stunts here and going on the different ways again in the launching of the Audi the 100 of the 1968 and the Audi Fox which formed of the basic of the 1973 followed the 1972 and Audi 50 later. Oh, nice these stunts it going on the destination in different ways and going on the ways to show stunts here but sometimes it is really good to see the different stunts but really like here you are now looking to do forward and but sometimes it is nice really to oh now the crossing in the white and the yellow car is so unlucky to again to trying to the cover up the game but we are going the destination on the different ways so lucky to reach the different ways so now the beautiful stunts here going on the destination and now the lucky to there on the now the blinking there the red light to going on the destination. Oh, nicely to the blink open outside it again but now the going on the destination again see the different ways again to see the different destination is so unlucky to see the different ways unlikely to see the different stunts here but sometimes it is now really good way to see different stunts near the again the cool high profile bridge here and going on the destination again but sometimes it's again so lucky here it is nice to see the different stunts here again and again you see the different stunts and lucky but you are going to the different destination to show the different stunts here again and again but sometimes it's a really good way to seeing different stunts and 19 the auto unions and the car reaching in the way there are different stunts auto sales in the United States after the series of the car in 1982 and in 1987 the SVOTs report the incidents of the different car stunts here. ITV Auto contacted the pair finding by outside investigations and that the problem car were called the driving error, especially the pedal misapplication. Subsequently, and NASA and HT concluded that the majority of the United acceleration cases, including R1, are being promoted the 60-minute expert going on the different ways to going on destinations again to see the different stunts here to show the different ways but there is a way to showing different stunts but sometimes you are good way to seeing the different ways and we are going on the destinations so the beautiful stunts again and again to see different ways but looking on the forward station you have different stunts within a series of the record campaigning Audi made the several modification. The first adjusted the distance between the brake and the accelerator pedal of the automatic transmission model, later repaired the 2050 million car dating back of the 1980. you are seeing the different building here. The car is going on the destination, so the looking good way to seeing the beautiful stunts here near the building like the New York, USA, like the London, and like the Karachi, like the New Delhi, and beautiful stunts here again and again to show the beautiful again building here. Now cloudy to see the different stunts, but we are reaching on the ways to learn different building here, different situations here. So like with the beautiful scenes here, to beautiful stunts here, but going on the oh, it is so dangerous to go in the oh, unlucky to see different stunts, but again trying to reach the thing again and so unlucky to go in the crashing this ways. Oh, and is so crashing and unserious ways to crying the again, but we are reaching a different. Oh, unlucky to see the different stunts here. Oh, it is so unlucky. It is amazing stunts here where the small bumps here, and they are going to show the different stunts here. But have a great emerging point here. Oh, unlucky to see the different stunts and trying to the destinations, but you are going on the destinations. You are trying to gain back down, but going on the different ways. So unlucky to trying to all are so every there and losing different ways to cross the destination, but to have a nice way to say, but you are looking ways to again to trying to there the on the ways, but going to destinations again and again, but sometimes you have different ways, but this is the time to ways, and you are going on the destinations, and it is late to see the different stunts here, but you are going on so unlucky to see the different stunts about the point, and nicely going to the destinations, going on the ways to come. Oh, unlucky to see different stunts where the yellow car is going to. Oh, so unlucky to come to the ways, but going to the destination. So unlucky to ways to going. Oh, unlucky to ways. So unlucky the yellow car is so unlucky to the clearly to so damaged car to show that destination so badly to get many loss here.